to make a Discord verification system in 2026. So if you want to make a Discord verification system in 2026, then what you need to do is first you need to just simply open up your browser and then log into your Discord. Go with discord.com and log into your account. You can also go with your application as well. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with the left side and then you will find the Discover option. Just click on Discover and then go with the search, which will be in the top, and search for security. Once you've searched for security, you need to just simply go with the first one, or you can also go with a new tab and then search for security bot for Discord, and then just simply click on this one, select the server where you would like to add, and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Go with authorize, click on I am a human, and it has been added, right? Now you can go back and then open up your server where you've added your security bot. Now here you need to enter a message, which is /verification space setup and then channel. After that, hit the enter. It says that the verification channel has been set up successfully. Now again, go with / enter verification and then setup, and now go with the role. Now hit the enter. After that, it's going to make a role. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.